So there is a common problem or question that seems to extend amongst businesses and organizations of all size, and that's social media. Specifically, what do I do? What do I use? How do I measure it? How do I even know if what I'm doing is working, right? And so this workshop, this social media strategy workshop, is really designed to help bring some clarity, focus, and some organizational tools to those folks that have been using social media and want to use it better, or that are trying to get a real grasp as to if the efforts that you are putting into it, and perhaps even the money that you're putting into it, is paying dividends. How do we measure? So we're going to spend about, a quarter of the time in the workshop. We'll go over some best practices, what we see working, some of the trends that we should be aware of. But before the workshop, I'm going to reach out to you, those of you that are registering for it, to see what's on your mind specifically, questions, goals, get a feel for who's coming so I can customize the rest of the workshop around specifically who's in the room. And then probably what's most important to me is I am really looking forward to the group interaction, the give and take, and the off-the-cuff discussion, so we can really make this as relevant, as practical, and as meaningful as possible. So I'm excited. This is the first time we'll put together the workshop on social media strategy. We talk about it all the time here, and it seems to be one of those things that permeates among businesses of all sizes. So check out the details of the workshop. Sign up, and I will look forward to talking to you if you do, to figure out why you're coming and how we can add value.